Hello friends, today's topic of discussion is homeopathic remedy Murex. The common name of Murex is purple fish or you can say purple snail. Now the background of this remedy. This fish having the bag-like or a sac-like structure over the neck region. The exact location of that sac is just between the heart and the liver region. From that sac, a viscous juice is being secreted and which is reddish in color. This juice is also used as a dye. So from that juice, which is one of the defense mechanism of the fish, our homeopathic remedy Murex is being prepared. So whenever this juice is brought into contact with the atmosphere, this juices become successively yellow, then it is turned into green, then blue, and finally reddish purple in color it becomes. It is insoluble in water, alcohol, or ether. Consequently, for the homeopathic use, the attenuations are prepared by the method of trituration. Prover of this remedy Murex is Dr. Patros of Paris. The proving which we possess was made by chiefly under the observation of late Dr. Patros of Paris. Some additional observations have been collected by Dr. Herring and resume of our knowledge to the present date. And this data is published in American Homeopathic Review volume 4 in 1864. Now the introduction part of this Murex, in which constitution, under the constitution thermal relation, so the Murex is a chilly patient. So all the complaints of a Murex personality are aggravated by cold. Murex is specially indicated for the females, so it is one of the female remedy and having sphere of action for the female genital organ. So now the physical appearance of the patient, usually suited to the woman, so Murex is indicated for the slim, smart and affectionate woman. Now the temperament, Murex having the sad and melancholic temperament. Now the pathophysiology or the sphere of action of this Murex. So Murex having sphere of action over the female genital organs, ovaries, uterus as well as skin. Now the clinical conditions of the Murex. So which are the disease condition for which we can thought of Murex as a homeopathic remedy. So these are the clinical conditions in which first is abortion, then breast pain, uterine as well as cervical affections, climacteric sufferings, diabetes, dysmenorrhea, leukorrhea, menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, then nymphomania, affection of pregnancy and prolapse of uterus. It is one of the very good remedy for the prolapse of uterus. Now we discuss the characteristic symptoms or a characteristic of the Murex which is given by Dr. J.H. Clark. So, Patros first proved the remedy purple fish or Murex. Murex, which is like the ink fish sepia, produces the chief intensity of its action over the female generative organ. Means Murex and sepia both are the remedy and both remedies are prepared from the ink which is secreted from the fish. Okay, sepia is prepared from the cuttlefish and Murex is prepared from the purple fish. So both fish secrete the ink and from that the homeopathic remedy is prepared. So we found the similarity is that both remedy having sphere of action over the female genital organs. Both this remedy have the similar affections as well as dissimilar affections also. So in between both some similarities are also there and some dissimilarity are also there. So here we discuss that what are the similarity and what are the difference. So first we see that they are chiefly distinguished and what are the factors which distinguish both, in which first Murex produces a frantic sexual desire and tends to have excessive hemorrhage with the large clots. મ્યુરેક્સમાં સિમ્ટમ્સ શું છે કે મ્યુરેક્સ રેમેડીમાં અથવા તો મ્યુરેક્સ પર્સનાલિટીમાં ફ્રેન્ટિક સેક્સ્યુઅલ ડિઝાયર છે એન્ડ excessive hemorrhage with large clots. Frantic means hurried, excited, disorganized way of doing sex or act of sex. હવે આ મ્યુરેક્સમાં છે તો વોટ ઇઝ અબાઉટ સેપિયા? તો સેપિયામાં શું જોવા મળે છે કે સેપિયા પેશન્ટ હેવિંગ કમ્પ્લીટ એવર્ઝન ફોર ધ સેક્સ એન્ડ સેપિયા હેવિંગ અ જનરલ સ્કેન્ટી ફ્લો. સો ધ મ્યુરેક્સમાં ફ્રેન્ટિક ડિઝાયર છે, સેપિયામાં કમ્પ્લીટ એવર્ઝન છે. નેક્સ્ટ મ્યુરેક્સમાં હેમરેજ એક્સેસિવ છે વિથ ધ લાર્જ ક્લોટ્સ, અને ઇન જનરલ સેપિયામાં સ્કેન્ટી ફ્લો છે. ઓકે, these are the distinguishing features. Another leading feature of a murex is consciousness of a womb. મ્યુરેક્સ પર્સનાલિટીમાં યુટ્રાઇન રિજન પાસે અથવા તો ઓવર ધ યુટ્રસ સોરનેસ હોય, જાણે કોઈક ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટથી કટ કરી નાખ્યું હોય, દેટ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ soreness is there at the region of uterus in a murex. So there is a constant consciousness of womb which is different from the sepia, which is not found in sepia. So this is also distinguishing features. Now the similarity. Sinking organ sensation and bearing down sensation. Sinking organ sensation or emptiness or feeling of empty, this kind of sensation over the epigastric region, and bearing down sensation, both this sensation is found in both the remedies. So સેપિયામાં અને મ્યુરેક્સમાં બંનેમાં આ સિમિલારિટી જોવા મળે છે. તો સિમિલારિટી શું છે? બંને રેમેડી ઇંકમાંથી બને છે, વિશિયસ જ્યુસમાંથી બને છે જે સિક્રીટ થાય છે બંને ફિશમાંથી. બંને ફિશમાં ઓર્ગન સેન્સેશન, સિંકિંગ સેન્સેશન એન્ડ બિયરિંગ ડાઉન સેન્સેશન છે. ડિફરન્સ શું છે કે મ્યુરેક્સમાં ફ્રેન્ટિક ડિઝાયર ફોર ધ સેક્સ છે, સેપિયામાં એવર્ઝન ફોર ધ સેક્સ છે. Then discharge of the murex is heavy, profuse with the large clots, and in general સેપિયામાં scanty flow છે. So these are the differentiating and similar features of both the remedies. This remedy having sphere of action over the female genital organ, એ બી એક similarity છે, બરાબર? And both this remedy are indicated for the prolapse of uterus, which is also the similarity. Now we discuss the other characteristic features of a murex. Murex has a sensation of a dryness and constriction in the womb. Okay, વોમમાં ડ્રાયનેસ અને કોન્સ્ટ્રિક્શનનું સેન્સેશન કન્ટિન્યુઅસ થયા કરે છે, એન્ડ ધેટ ઇઝ વાય અ પેશન્ટ હેવિંગ કોન્શિયસનેસ ફોર ધ વોમ. કોઈ પણ ઓર્ગનમાં આપણને કંઈક થતું હોય, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ નોર્મલ આપણું રેસ્પિરેશન હોય તો રેસ્પિરેશન માટે આપણે અવેર નથી હોતા, એ ઇન્હેલેશન અને એક્ઝેલેશન એની જાતે જ થયા કરે છે. જ્યારે પણ આપણને કફ એન્ડ કોલ્ડ થયો હોય, નોઝ ઓબ્સ્ટ્રક્ટ થઈ ગયું હોય, ત્યારે બ્રિધિંગમાં ડિફિકલ્ટી પડે છે ને વી આર અવેર ઓફ દેટ કે આપણે શ્વાસ લઈએ છીએ, છોડીએ છીએ, તો ત્યારે આપણે અવેર થઈએ એ માટે અને કોન્શિયસ થતા હોઈએ છીએ. એવી જ રીતે જ્યારે પણ યુટ્રાઇન રિજનમાં કોઈ પેઇન થાય, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય, કોઈ સ્વેલિંગ હોય, ઇન્ડ્યુરેશન હોય, તો ત્યારે ત્યાં પેઇન ફીલ થાય, એન્ડ બિકોઝ ઓફ દેટ પેઇન એન્ડ સોરનેસ પેશન્ટ અવેર થાય, કોન્શિયસ થાય અબાઉટ દેટ ઓર્ગન. સો લાઇકવાઇઝ મ્યુરેક્સમાં પણ અવેરનેસ અને કોન્શિયસનેસ ઓફ વોમ જોવા મળે છે. And this is because of dryness and constriction of the womb. Okay, now the pain of murex, very peculiar, very characteristic pain is there in the murex, that is diagonal pain. Diagonal pain means it is traveling from the uterine region, especially from the left ovary. If there is pain is over the left ovary, then it is traveled to the right breast, and if this pain is in a right ovary, then it is traveled to the left breast. So opposite traveling of the pain, and because of that opposite traveling we can say that murex having diagonal pain. Okay, the pain are frequently diagonal and shoots from ovary to the opposite breast. Another peculiar symptom of murex is that feeling as if something were pressing on a sore spot in a pelvis. પેલ્વિક રિજિયનમાં કંઈ એક સોર સ્પોટ છે અને એમાં કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી પેઇન થયા કરે છે, દેટ ઇઝ અનધર પેક્યુલિયર ફીચર ઓફ મ્યુરેક્સ. સો કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી પેશન્ટ એવું કયા કરે કે મને પેઇન થાય છે, કોઈ પિન પોઈન્ટ રિજિયનમાં કોઈ સોર સ્પોટ છે ત્યાં કન્ટિન્યુઅસ પેઇન થાય છે. Another very peculiar general feature, you can say characteristic general feature, is that a lest contact with the parts causes violent sexual excitement. જ્યારે પણ પેશન્ટને કોઈ પણ just a simple touch, also simple touch aggravates that patient. This aggravation may be physical, may be mental. ફિઝિકલમાં શું હોય કે ક્યારેક કોઈ ટચથી પેશન્ટને એકદમ વાયોલન્ટ સેક્સ્યુઅલ ડિઝાયર પણ થઈ જાય, સેક્સ્યુઅલ એક્સાઇટમેન્ટ પણ આવી શકે, એન્ડ મેન્ટલી પેશન્ટ become violent also because of any kind of touch. Okay, so this is very peculiar, and the least contact with the parts causes violent sexual excitement. Now another feature is that the cervix of that patient is very sensitive to the examining finger of the physician. Why this is so? You can see this kind of condition in cases of whenever the cervical erosion is there, cervical overgrowth like cauliflower like growth, cervical irritation, cervical erosions. So in this kind of situation or in this kind of clinical conditions, you can say that whenever physician touches the cervical os of the patient, that touch is unbearable and causes excessive bleeding. Another peculiarity is that there is excessive secretion of the urine and frequent necessity to rise at night for the urination with a hungry craving. Okay, this is very important feature of a murex. If and other symptoms of murex are present, then you can successfully use murex as a remedy for the complaints of diabetes mellitus. So what are the group of symptoms for the diabetes mellitus or diabetes insipidus? So excessive secretion of urine, and frequently passage of urine at the night, you can say nightly polyuria, with a hungry craving, and other symptoms of murex, you can use it successfully in the cases of diabetes. Now, what are the mental picture of the patient? How mentally patient reacts? So murex is suited to a melancholic or sanguine lymphatic temperament, to the climacteric sufferings. So it is also always indicated, you can say probably indicated for the old age people or those who are at the age of climacteric, બરાબર, menopausal age, climacteric age, menopausal woman, okay, nearby 40 to 50. સો એવી લેડી કે જે બહુ સેડ રહેતી હોય, બહુ જ વિચાર્યા કરતી હોય, અથવા તો સેંગ્વાઇન લિમ્ફેટિક ટેમ્પરામેન્ટ હોય, ઓકે, જેને લિમ્ફ નોડ્સ, લિમ્ફ ગ્લેન્ડ્સનું વધારે પડતું અફેક્શન જોવા મળતું હોય, તો એવી કાઇન્ડ ઓફ લેડીને this remedy is indicated. There is a very great depression of the spirit. You can easily find out that this kind of lady are very depressed. So depression જોવા મળે છે. A sort of deep hypochondriacal state means કઈ બી વાતો હોય તો એવો બઢાઈ ચડાઈને કહેતી હોય, ઓકે, રાઈનું પહાડ બનાવે એવું કે ને, કેટલાક લોકો એવું હોય કે નાની અમસ્તી વાતે પણ બહુ મોટી બનાવી દે. તો this kind of state we found in murex personality. Okay, another physical feature of this murex is that whenever there is leukorrhea and when the leukorrhea has become worse, patient feels good. Patient ameliorated when leukorrhea has become worse. Another peculiar feature about pregnancy is that during pregnancy all the joints of this murex personalities become weak. Walking is also very difficult for them and they have to lie down on the bed, and lies down or lying down position or a rest not ameliorate them, and this is very important feature for the pregnancy. So you can think of this remedy for the complaints of weakness, exhaustion, prostration during pregnancy. એ પહેલાં બહુ જ ફાઇન હોય લેડી, કોઈ જ પ્રોબ્લેમ ન હોય. જ્યારથી કન્સીવ થઈ હોય ત્યારથી પેશન્ટ કમ્પ્લેન કરે કે જોઈન્ટ પેઇન થાય છે, ચલાતું પણ નથી, ઊભું પણ નથી રહેવાતું, સૂઈ જ રહેવું પડે છે અને સુવા છતાં પણ આરામ નથી મળતો. તો એ સમયમાં તમે વિચારી શકો. So these are the characteristics of murex. Now we see the guiding features of guiding symptoms of murex. What are the important guiding symptoms which guides you for the selection of this murex? So for these three guiding symptoms are there for which you can think of murex. First is menstrual irregularity. Whenever there is menstrual irregularities like dysmenorrhea, amenorrhea, menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, you can think of murex, okay, if the symptoms are matches. Then another is prolapse of uterus. Then another third one is leukorrhea. So these are the three guiding features. For that you can think of Murex. Now in menstrual irregularity, dysmenorrhea, disturbed painful menstruations, amenorrhea, sometimes amenorrhea also. Menstruation is too long, too profuse, and reappears after every 15 days. Okay. Pain, already we discussed that during menstruation also patient feels the diagonal pain from the right ovary to the left breast and from the left ovary to the right breast. Okay, this kind of extension or the traveling of pain is we found during the menstruation. Now another feature of a second guiding symptom of Murex is prolapse of uterus. We found in bearing down sensation, soreness or pain in a pelvic region. We already discussed that patient says that there is one of the sore spot in the pelvic region and there is continuous pain over there. List touch aggravates. Sit with the cross legs. પેશન્ટને બિયરિંગ ડાઉન સેન્સેશન હોય અને એને રિલીવ કરવા માટે પેશન્ટ ક્રોસ લેગ કરીને બેસી રહે અને ક્રોસ લેગ કરવાથી પેશન્ટને સારું લાગે. નાઉ ધ ડિઝાયર ફોર કોઇશન and caution the patient amelioration mode. Okay, this is about the prolapse of uterus. Now the leukorrhea. Unique feature છે કે whenever the patient having leukorrhea and that leukorrhea has become worse, patient feels good, happy feeling when leukorrhea is worse. List touch causes desire for the sex. List touch aggravates physical as well as mental aggravation. Okay, so this is about the guiding features.